I'm going to be showing you how to turn on extensions for Safari. So it's really easy, so let's get right into it. So the first thing is to make sure you have downloaded apps for Safari extensions, and after you've done that, you just need to access settings. So make sure you're on app library and type in settings. So it's right at the top. And now, again, at the top you can find search. Just need to search for Safari, so it's right there again. Just go ahead and tap there, and now scroll down until you find extensions. So it's right below block pop-ups. Just go ahead and tap there, and now you can find all of your extensions here. So you just need to select the extension you want to turn on. So let's say you want to turn on VPN. Just go ahead and tap there, and now you need to choose where you would want the extension to be allowed in. So whether you want it in your personal tab or your accounts tab. So this way, you have successfully turned on extensions for Safari. So there you go, that's how easy it is. I hope this video was helpful for you. Please leave us a like and drop us a comment down below, and we'll see you again in our next video. Thank you for watching.